Imagine a future where Africa's nations are seamlessly interconnected, driving mutual growth and development. Have you ever considered how regional trade could transform the economic landscape of the continent? Today, we delve into the groundbreaking collaboration between Ghana and Burkina Faso, a partnership poised to revolutionize transit trade in West Africa. With Ghana's ports serving as key gateways and Burkina Faso's reliance on these facilities for imports and exports, this alliance holds immense promise. This partnership goes beyond economics. It represents a blueprint for how nations can work together to overcome challenges and unlock shared opportunities. From efficient trade networks to fostering regional unity, the Ghana-Burkina Faso collaboration is laying the foundation for a more prosperous Africa. The question remains, how can other African nations replicate this success to ensure the continent thrives collectively? Stay tuned as we uncover the details of this powerful partnership and its potential to boost Africa's progress. But first, make sure to subscribe to the African Web and hit the bell icon to stay updated on stories of Africa's growth and transformation. Ghana's ports, particularly Tema and Takoradi, play a pivotal role in the region. Strategically positioned along the Gulf of Guinea, these ports have become indispensable for landlocked nations like Burkina Faso. Did you know that in 2023 alone, Burkina Faso imported goods worth $375 million through Ghana's ports? This trade volume underscores the critical importance of efficient port services for regional economic stability. Michael Luguje, the Director General of the Ghana Ports and Harbors Authority, GPHA, highlighted the essence of their operations during a recent meeting with Burkina Faso's Chamber of Commerce. He stated, "It is the cargo that gives us business, so we are always happy to work and collaborate with anyone who brings business through our ports." Isn't it inspiring to see such dedication to fostering economic growth through collaboration? But what makes Ghana's ports stand out? The answer lies in their state-of-the-art infrastructure, extensive storage facilities, and efficient management systems. Tema Port, for instance, boasts a modern container terminal with a capacity to handle over 3 million 20-foot equivalent units, TEUs, annually. Takoradi Port, on the other hand, specializes in bulk cargo, catering to the export of bauxite, manganese, and other minerals. Beyond numbers, these ports symbolize reliability and efficiency for neighboring nations. Could their success serve as a model for other African countries aiming to optimize trade infrastructure? Furthermore, how can innovations in port technology enhance the efficiency of trade across the region? Burkina Faso, a landlocked nation, has long depended on Ghana's ports to facilitate its trade. This reliance has fostered a strong relationship between the two nations, with Ghana exporting over $441 million worth of goods to Burkina Faso in 2023 alone. From essential commodities like rice and cooking oil to industrial machinery, the trade between these nations is vital for Burkina Faso's economy. To strengthen these ties, a high-profile meeting was recently held between GPHA and Burkina Faso's Chamber of Commerce, led by Mohamed Dusu. The discussions revolved around enhancing transit trade and making Ghana's ports more attractive through streamlined customs processes, improved security, and modernized equipment. How can these improvements further reduce the cost of doing business for Burkina Faso? But challenges persist. Issues such as delays at border crossings, high transportation costs, and bureaucratic bottlenecks often hinder the seamless flow of goods. To address these concerns, both nations have committed to implementing reforms. These include digitizing customs procedures, investing in road and rail connectivity, and fostering partnerships with private logistics providers. Imagine a future where goods move effortlessly between Ghana and Burkina Faso, with minimal delays and reduced costs. Such a scenario would not only benefit these two nations, but also set a precedent for other landlocked countries in Africa. How can other regions replicate this model of collaboration to boost their trade? A major highlight of the Ghana-Burkina Faso partnership is the Keta Port project, a transformative initiative aimed at expanding Ghana's port capabilities. Located in the Volta region, this new port is expected to complement Tema and Takoradi, offering additional capacity and specialized services. Dr. Alexander Adusei, the project's director, emphasized the potential benefits of involving Burkina Faso in this venture. He explained that exclusive benefits, such as partnerships with shipping lines, could be guaranteed for Burkina Faso to attract direct cargo traffic to Keta Port. Such arrangements would not only streamline trade, but also reduce transportation costs for Burkina Faso. Once completed, the Keta Port project is expected to significantly enhance trade efficiency and open up new economic opportunities for both nations. The port will feature modern container terminals, bulk cargo facilities, and advanced logistics hubs. Additionally, it aims to become a green port, incorporating sustainable practices to minimize environmental impact. Isn't this a step toward a more sustainable future for Africa's trade infrastructure? But what does this mean for regional trade? By leveraging the Keta Port's capabilities, Ghana and Burkina Faso could position themselves as leaders in West Africa's trade ecosystem. Moreover, the success of this project could inspire similar initiatives across the continent. Isn't it time for Africa to unlock its full trade potential? The Ghana-Burkina Faso partnership is a testament to the power of collaboration in driving progress. By working together, these nations are setting an example for how regional cooperation can unlock economic potential. Efficient trade networks not only boost GDP, but also create jobs and improve living standards for millions of people. Initiatives like the African Continental Free Trade Area, AfCFTA, further emphasize the importance of such collaborations. With a market of over 1.3 billion people and a combined GDP of $3.4 trillion, AfCFTA aims to break down barriers and promote seamless trade across the continent. By aligning their strategies with AfCFTA's goals, Ghana and Burkina Faso can maximize the benefits of their partnership. Consider the ripple effects of such collaborations. Improved trade infrastructure can attract foreign investment, enhance industrialization, and reduce poverty. For instance, streamlined customs processes can shorten transit times, enabling businesses to deliver goods faster and more efficiently. Isn't this exactly what Africa needs to achieve its development goals? The Ghana-Burkina Faso partnership isn't just about these two nations. Its success could have a ripple effect across West Africa, encouraging similar collaborations between coastal and landlocked nations. For instance, neighboring countries like Niger and Mali could follow suit, creating a unified trade corridor that spans the region. Imagine the potential of a West Africa where goods flow seamlessly, creating jobs, increasing incomes, and fostering innovation. Could this be the key to unlocking the region's vast potential? The Ghana-Burkina Faso trade partnership is more than just a business arrangement. It's a blueprint for Africa's interconnected future. As Ghana's ports evolve and Burkina Faso deepens its trade ties, the ripple effects will be felt across the continent. What do you think about the Keta Port project and its potential to transform regional trade? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the African Web. Join us as we continue exploring Africa's progress and the inspiring stories shaping its future.